But Anisha, let's talk about what you are focusing on. And at this point in time, the focus really is on taking the foundation's work to rural parts of the country where, there is virtually a broken healthcare system. So forget talking about mental health being addressed in any meaningful or substantial way. What has that experience been like, and what do you intend to really do?
So there's three things that we focus on as an organization, and we like to call it the 3 A's, easy to remember. The first A is accessibility, is awareness. Awareness of mental health. The second A is accessibility. Accessibility of not just information, but also resources, and of course, both of those being credible. And then the third part of it is affordability. So these are the 3 A's with which we run our rural mental health program as well. Sort of challenges that mental illness in the country is facing, right? So what we're really trying to achieve is to be able to provide not just free psychiatric treatment, but also vocational training, rehabilitation, an equal and important focus on caregivers, wherein the sort of care is given not just to the individual and the family, but also at a community level. So we actually call it a community mental health program. And we're seeing a lot of sort of transformative stories at an individual level, but also there is a success story out of Davangere, which is a district in Karnataka, about 6 hours away from Bangalore, where we've actually given the onus of running the program back to the community. So it's actually a self-sustainable model as well. So over a period of time, it takes time, 5 to 7 years, Davangere as a district is running its own mental health program with the help of the local health workers, your ASHA workers and Anganwadi workers, as well as the local administration, all under the district mental health program. So that's really what we're trying to achieve. What we're seeing is typically, there is a lot of, just like in urban India, there is a lot of stigma as well as, say, lack of awareness. There's also a lot of belief in religious practices and faith healers. So we have to go into the system, be extremely patient in our approach, which is why I keep harping on 5 to 7 year period, right? So this is something that takes time. At the end of the day, social change and behavior cannot be achieved overnight. So this is what we're doing, and this past year alone, we've been running this program since 2016, and this past year alone, we've actually impacted about 13,000 people across 6 states. We've trained about 4,000 healthline workers, and about 20 to 25,000 caregivers have been provided psychosocial support, counseling, etc.
Well,